Hey guys, Dan from Trading with Dan here. Hope we're all well. Hope we've had a great day. So we've had a good bit of price movement on the charts today. Finally, not just some wicks up and down like we have been doing. As you can see on the 10-minute chart, there's a lot of chop going on. But what we did actually say we were going to do, just because of how the market had got some increased volatility, we were going to move to the 15-minute chart. As you can see on the 15-minute chart, we did have a sell signal on the 15-minute chart, which I think I spoke about yesterday as well. So we had the initial sell signal. We did take it on the 10-minute, so we did take it higher up, and then we had our basically take profit stop at the red line on the 10-minute chart. Then we switched to the 15-minute chart. We had a buy, which was a stop out for a 1% loss, and then currently we're running this position here. So the actual settings for this on TradingView were 4% profit, so that is actually a 4% profit move now. So that's obviously makes up for the 1% loss we had before. I believe we're at a level now where it's do or die for Bitcoin. I mean, if we don't hold this sort of area around here, sort of where we've got like the wicks up and then down over here, then I believe we'll be going basically to the bottom of the larger channel on the larger time frame. Things are looking. Obviously the trend is your friend, so I mean you just expect us to keep going down. Like, we are breaking out of this wedge, have broken out of it properly now. So the targeted move, I mean, it's either down to about here or about here. So so we've got to be looking at to the short side. I mean, we're currently in a short trade according to the 15-minute DMT. So we're running that with the trailing profit. It is a very quick update today. Not too much other than that. I mean, obviously we've got more going on in the market today, but it's just been a steady move down. So that's obviously got us in our position, and we're just running that position now to see where it takes us. I mean, if we do lose this 8,300 area, get like a few hourly closes below 8,300, I can't see it at least getting down to sub 8,000, and then obviously see how price reacts down there. So we've got some more videos coming up soon on some of the other indicators that I use. Look forward to doing those, and then also some videos on Alertastron, which I'm currently having a look at now. So we'll do a review video on that. Thanks a lot for listening, guys. Remember, nothing to talk about here is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's for educational purposes only. Trading is risky. Don't invest money that you can't afford to lose, and all that jazz. So thank you for listening again, guys, and I will speak to you soon.